How to invite someone to your Trello board. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, go on this boards option, and then after that, we'll have to go here and then select or open the board where we want to invite an account. Once it's open, go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the share option. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. In here, to invite an account or to share your Trello board, all we need to do is to type an email here, or we can either tap on this copy link option and then share the link of our board. If you don't want to share the link and you only want to type an email here, after typing the email, simply tap on the share option. And as you can see, that account is automatically added here as a member. So that's how easy we can invite someone to our Trello board. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!